What's up, guys? We got a couple of Matchbox ice cream trucks we're going to take a look at. Choca Mocha, nice. So this is a nice brown one. I really like this. Very nice, very sharp, lots of good detail. You can even read that over there. Let me see if I can bump that up just a little. You can pretty much read that. Look at the detail on this thing. The rims, awesome. Very nice. Coffee and more. Very sweet. Let's take a look at the other one. And this one is Ice Cream King. Nice close-up, salt water taffy. Nice, you got the board right there, made fresh only. Nice rims. Pink windshield, that's nice. Nice touch. All the details in the steel. Gives that old-timey look. You can see right down in there, the ice cream boxes. Very, very nice. Dave Sweet something. Change it up here. Very nice. See if we can pop both of them on there. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching.